Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing a Dollar Tree Come With Me. So welcome and thank you for taking the time out to stop and view this video. So right now I'm looking in the food area, the drink areas to see if Dollar Tree has some new food finds. And so far this is just like all the drinks that they sell so far at my location. Nothing new that I'm coming across, so let's go ahead and move to the next section. I figured I would go this way first to the food section just to see if they have anything good. I mean, they always have good stuff, good snacks, but decided let's take a different route together, guys. These are always great buys for $1.25. These are really good. I just tried these the other day. They are so good. The brims. I haven't tried any of the puffs, but they look very interesting. Okay, so let me check one more aisle and we'll be done with the food section. So I'm seeing Dollar Tree is bringing in a lot of the Gerber meal times for toddlers, which is really, really nice. You know, let me check my camera. It seems like it's doing cinematic mode. 1 second. Okay, there we go, guys. Sorry about that. I had it in cinematic mode. So they brought in these Gerber meal times for toddlers. These are definitely not $1.25 at grocery stores, Walmart or Target. So this is an awesome buy. And the fact that you could get a full meal for $1.25, that's awesome. And let's see what the expiration date is. Okay.
Can I get back up, please?
July 14th, 2023. And then even organic baby foods. Are you serious? Look at Plantastic Harvest Bowls with vegan mac. So that is really cool. We know vegan style or even plant-based food is not $1.25 usually, so that's an awesome buy. Okay, so as I'm going around in my local Dollar Tree store, I found something that's really cool. They got a lot of stuff set up for the Mother's Day holiday that is coming up. So we've got these Be Pure. These are the ultrasonic face misters. You got it in a blue and a pink style, and glow on the go, and it's an instant dewy skin. So that is actually really cool and really great to put in a Mother's Day gift basket. And then they got these mommy size and children's size hair bonnets, so that's really cool. So that is super cute. Have your little ones matching with you. All right, and let's come over here. I showed you guys all this stuff in my last video. Check it out, I'll link it down below. And let's check out. Okay, so I also see my Dollar Tree has these in stock. These are those little cube candles that are definitely not $1.25 anywhere else. So you got plum sangria scent. Now you could lightly smell it. Plumeria sunrise. And that one smells good. This one is a Yazuz and alloy. Yayus, whatever. I don't know if I'm saying that's right, but they come in these 3 different colors, fun for the summertime. Then you got these cool little vases that match those, so that is actually awesome. Look at that. Then, oh, look at how beautiful these are. They've got like a jewel top on the top of that. And it looks like we have 3 different colors going on. So like a pink or like an orangey color, a clear, and then like this like gray looking black color. Then you've got, oh, look at that, it's super cool. Vibrating facial massager by Be Pure as well. Those are items you don't want to miss out. And then you've got these cool hot and cold eye patches, and those are really cool. They come in those different styles. So you got that one, and I don't know what's up with that door. It just keeps squeaking. It's kind of annoying. Oh, I love that style. That's really pretty. Then we got the hair wraps with scrunchies and combs to hang on your shower. You've got these sugar foot scrubs and then these warming eye masks. These work really good. I tried them last year. So let's step back so you can see this beautiful display for Mother's Day, and then let's turn this corner. So we also got, I see a lot of floral stuff this year. These are really beautiful. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Then we've got the Mommy and Me sizes. These are super cute. The little hair spa headbands. So those are really cute. Then we've got these candles that match the cube ones. And then we've got these beautiful little birds. So they come in blue, pink, and white. Okay, so those are the only two styles they do have at my Dollar Tree. Those are really gorgeous. Then we've got the little mini green jaded rollers. Those work really well. Then you have the white jade, heart-shaped. And then you got the matching roller as well. So that's really cool. You guys could come up with some really nice gift ideas for your mom, your grandmas, your aunts, cousins, teachers, whoever that special one is. And then look at that. That's really cute. Mom, you're the best. Mom, brave, strong, and loved. These are really beautiful. I love the two colors that they come in. So you got the blue and the pink. Then it says, I got it from my mama. Home is where mom is. This one says, best mom ever. Love you to the moon and back. Yep, and those are all the ones that I see, guys. Okay, here's some of the cool Mother's Day cards as well that they have in stock. Super Mom, that's really cool. She's got her cape, and then that's the inside. Mom are the true superheroes of this world, celebrating you and all of your superpowers. Happy Mother's Day. That is so cool. Then we've got To My Beautiful Wife on Mother's Day for a special mom. This one says Mom. I love how that one looks. Wishing you a day that is just as amazing and special as you are. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Happy Mother's Day. This one is really cute. Mom, you bake the world a better place. That's really cute. Wishing you a special... Okay, sorry, it's hard to read because I'm going back from my camera to this part. Wishing you a special day filled with sweet surprises. Happy Mother's Day. And then we got a couple more. Oh, that's adorable. All right. Okay, so new in my area as well, we got the Dragonfly body wash in. These are body wash with natural fragrance extracts in lavender. You get a 16-ounce bottle. Then this one is fragrance free, and this one is the tea tree and sage, all for $125. I just smelled this one. I'm not liking the smell, but that is here at my local Dollar Tree. Okay, with 4th of July around the corner, we've got the 3 mini flags. Not only for 4th of July, but you also got for Veterans Day, Memorial Day, all the great summer holidays coming up. So we got all these in stock right here. And then let me go check over on this side. Okay, so I thought this was a fun find. This is new to me. These are iPhone cases by the eCircuit. This one is shaped like a heart, and I just watched the movie the other day, and a girl had a case like this on her phone, and it was super cute. It was pink, and I see that this one fits, well, it says the iPhone and the XS Max, but I don't remember, no, because that's not the right camera, so I don't think that's right. But and then they have this one. Yeah, that would be that camera. But yeah, and then they got some that fit the 11. But I thought these were cool because these were great, like, phone cases that you could get for $125. And I thought that was cute. Okay, so I see adorable scrunchies and headbands for, like I said, these upcoming holidays. That is super adorable. And then you got some fun glasses and these headbands that say, I love the USA. So that is really cool. You got patriotic glasses like those. Those are fun. I like those ones. Super cool. Rock on USA. Let's see what else. Okay, See a lot of garden stuff. That's just kind of odds and ends. These are really pretty. Great price for $125. All right, let's check down. I see the sea stuff. All right, planning a fun summer this year. Do it on a great budget for $125. We've got all the lays. You've got the lay skirts for adults. Look at, ooh, that's so cool. I'm knocking it down. This one is a size of 32 by 32 inches. This one is 32 by 30 inches. And then let's step back and look at all the beautiful lays. And you got some cool hats. Now this is what I came for, all the way right here, all the way. So all the fun part is coming up right now. Thank you for being here, and thank you. So let's go. Okay, so yes, the Shore Living, this was my favorite last year, but I'm seeing that they got even more stuff this year that makes it even more awesome and beautiful. So I'm standing on my tiptoes. I see these beautiful decorative balls that they have for $125. Then they got these wind chimes. Look at that. That is too cute. Look at for $125. That deserves a picture. Let's do it. Okay, so we're gonna explore this area. I'm super excited about this. You've got all these beautiful glassware that they have. Some of them are the same as last year, same colors. These are a great size. Planning a summer wedding. These are absolutely gorgeous. You got the starfish, the seahorse, and then the fish. And it also comes in clear as well, which some of them are plain and some of them have a sea star on there.
What color are they?
Also too, we've got all this. I'm gonna come back on this side because I have, yeah, I'm gonna come on this side. Okay, so sorry about that. So we've got all brand new stuff. You got, look at that, 2-piece hanging set. You've got those beads, the nautical beads. You've got a lot of fun woodwork. Look at how adorable these are, guys. Look at, you can hang your little towels, paint them, decorate them. You got the sea stars back in. No, these are new. These came back in from last year. I have all of them. They're still gorgeous. Look at how beautiful these signs are. This says beach with like the rope. And then this one says home. I love that. And then the other one says love. Love. Oh my God, I'm so excited about this. I'm definitely gonna come and pick up some more stuff. Then they got the dishware in. Some planters. I just put my setup this morning. Oh my gosh, it looks gorgeous on my new stove. Check out that video. I'll link that one down below as well. Then we've got the candle holders. All of the ribbon, the coastal nautical ribbon. I don't see anything new from, yeah, they're all the same from last year. Then they brought these back in, the starfish, and then these are brand new. Look at these. These are beautiful, you guys. Look at how beautiful. Those are the two styles I see. All right. Oh, they got these in. Look at, these are really nice. Oh my gosh, look at, by Closet Essentials, you've got matching nautical little foldable bins or collapsible storage bins. That is really cool. Okay, then you got pictures that say sky above, sand below, peace within. I love that. So let's take a look at all the pictures. I am so excited. I am here for it. I'm a beach person. I love the beach. All right, so let's look. Let's go on this side. So on this side is all the fun luau stuff. You got great stuff for a fun party. Oh, look at this. How cool is this? The tiki bar is closed. No, it's open. It's in the afternoon. We need that to be open. So I see two different styles. You got the summer party, relax and enjoy. Then you got that camper that's super cute. Oh, I love these. These are brand new. It says welcome. You got an ice cream, a watermelon, and a flip-flop. I'm gonna go ahead and end this Come With Me. I hope you guys have an awesome and enjoy your weekend, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna go check out a couple other stores. I'm gonna have other videos up for you guys, but this is what's in stock at my store. It's a little messy, but that's okay. We love Dollar Tree. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and see you real soon.